Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the cooking segment of the Regina Perkins show. And today I just want to share with you a quick recipe that I found, and it's called slow cooker shredded Mexican chicken. With this chicken today, I'm going to use it to make street tacos, but it's very versatile and you can use it to make nachos. You can use it as a topping for a salad, or you can even put it in your soups, make burritos, or whatever you want to use it for. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 pounds of chicken breasts and make sure you rub them with oil and place them at the bottom of your crock pot. Just lay them in just like that. And then the next thing we're going to do is you're going to put in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, the next ingredient that we're going to put in is a 1/2 cup of mild salsa. If you don't want to use mild, you can use medium if you like a spicier sauce. Now we're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of brown sugar because there's also a spicy chipotle chili powder that this recipe calls for. So if you're going to use that, it's optional, but if you're going to use the spicy chipotle chili powder, put in 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Otherwise, use 3 tablespoons. But as you can see, I'm going to use 4. And also, if you use medium salsa, you may also want to use the 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. It's your preference, whatever you like. Okay, next we're going to add 1 4-ounce can of mild diced green chilies and just put it right there on top. As you can see, I'm shaking it in there. And the next thing we're going to do is add a 14.5-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Make sure you drain your tomatoes before you put them in. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Put it in there right on top. You're going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and a teaspoon also of ground cumin. What's Mexican food without cumin? Absolutely nothing. Then now we're going to get out that smoked paprika. This is what I told you about. Sometimes I have to buy this and weigh it, but you can find it in the store, but make sure it is smoked paprika. Now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of dry oregano and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now here's the ingredient that I said was optional. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of ground chipotle chili pepper. I'm going to use the powder. Sometimes you can find it in the store and weigh it out if they allow you to weigh, if they have loose spices. Next we're going to put in a teaspoon of liquid smoke. And that's pretty much it. Now stir it up and combine all of your ingredients up together so we can get ready to cook it. Just give it a good quick stir and make sure everything is combined and your chicken is covered evenly throughout. And then we're gonna turn our crock pot on high. And you can cook it on high for 2 to 4 hours, or you can put it on low and cook it for 6 to 7 hours. But I'm gonna cook mine on high so it can go ahead and be done in 4 hours. Well, 2 to 4 hours. Okay, we're back. Our chicken has now been cooking for 4 hours. And so let's see what we have here and open it up and see what's going on in this pot. As you can see, it looks good. Look at all the juices. It's nice and yummy. And what we're going to do at this point, we need to take the chicken out. You can take it out and let it rest if you want for about 5 minutes, but it's doing well in this pot. So I think I'm just going to shred it right here in this pot with the juices. Just do a quick. You can take your forks or whatever and just kind of shred and pull it apart. And as you can see, it's doing very easily. The chicken was fork tender, so I didn't have to do a whole lot to it. It's been cooking in there for 4 hours now, so you're just gonna shred it up nice, and we're gonna let it cook some more, and it's gonna soak up all of the juices that's in there. We're gonna cook it for another additional 20 minutes. And so it looks great. I wish you could smell it and see how good it looks. And then, as I said earlier, you can use this for a topping for nachos, for soups, burritos, tacos, or whatever. And so we're gonna let it, like I said, cook another additional 20 minutes and soak up some of all those good juices in there. And then I'm gonna come back and show you what I'm going to do with the tacos. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Okay guys, this is the finished product. You can put any toppings on your tacos that you like. I have you can put queso fresco on it. You can put tomatoes, onions, whatever you like, and make your side of black beans, some Spanish rice. I have some lime cut up, even some mangoes. So this was a quick, easy recipe. You can do on a weeknight. You can do it, and not only that, it makes a lot, so you can use it as leftovers. So today maybe tacos, and the next day you could possibly use it for a salad or whatever you like. So thank you guys for joining me on my channel today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Look for more coming up in the near future. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Also, you can go follow me on my other social media platforms on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you guys for watching.